Welcome back to Sepulkrum. This is a follow-up video. On the previous video, we worked on the G-9300GB. This one got a module swap from negative to positive. The GW, the one with the multiband 6, is going to get a brand new LCD from a G9300 that is not multiband 6. This is the PC board, which is not. So you're probably wondering, and the LCD is exactly the same. So when you do a screen test, you can see that G9300 also has the RCVD there. So the watches are almost identical. The only difference is that the GW9300 has the antenna. That's the antenna right there. So on a previous video, I've shown you how to remove the glass on a Mudman of this type and how to put it all back together without breaking the solar panel right here. So before I continue, I'm gonna have it ready, so that way when I'm done with the LCD swap, I can just install it. And I'm gonna do that now, and I'll be back. Check it out. Brand new bezel. This is the old one. It's not bad, but this one looks better. That's the part number right there. So let's get this guy open. Got a bunch of clips here that you gotta undo. Right, there is one more here, and already came undone. These two springs here are loose, and the speaker. So let's do it like this so they don't fall. You can see they're right there. Set that to the side, and you can see the antenna right there. Look at the difference. So it's also missing all these parts over here on the board. There it is. All right, let's take this out. Put that to the side. And now, so we don't lose those two solar springs there, you just take them out, move them to the side there, and I'm gonna push from the front because it feels like it has a little bit of like glue there. And this watch, the two holes here is 12 o'clock, but you can see this frame here, it's probably used on another watch because it has the two holes here on the side for solar charging on the side. It's probably the GW-9400. Probably. Got the zebra stripe. They're both the same. I want to keep this orientation there is a transparent film underneath the EL light, the EL panel light. I'm going to keep that like that. And there is the negative LCD. So all we got to do now is reverse the process. Let's clean this up. So remember, the two holes here is 12 o'clock. That's the bottom. Let me install the film. There's something sticky on my tweezers here. There. There. Make sure everything is flat, flush. Let me get the zebra there. There. Let's get the motherboard back in place. All right. Oh, I forgot something. See? Forgot something. The solar springs. Trying to go too fast. Okay. Now we can install the motherboard. And now I have to play here with this, get it to align without losing the springs. This one is good. Make sure all the clips are good. Everything looks good. Clean up. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let me get a battery. (256N), so that's June 2025. It's on. Let's do an AC reset. Just make sure it's off. And it's on again. So it's looking good. Let me put the back cover on, close it up, and I'll meet you on the other side. Check it out. Oh, wrong watch. It's this one. This one you'll see in the future. It is used, but it came in with all the tags. It'll clean up very nice. Came in with the box, warranty card. You can see it was bought 5 years ago, 2021. Manual in Japanese. This is another surprise. I didn't think it was gonna look this good, but it does need a battery though. I charged it to full and it's already down to medium. So, but this one is ready to go. Hooked it up to my antenna. You can see right there, receive time. Let's test out the light. Let's test out the auto light. Let me see if it's dark enough. There it is. Everything is working. How much do you think this watch is worth now? You can see it's not perfect, but it is a GW-9300. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. As you can see, it has my second time here. To change it, I think it's here. Yep. Now I get the date. That's going to be it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.